The Fergus Forms feature offers numerous benefits, but one of its most popular uses is for managing health and safety processes. For example, many Fergus users upload their SWMS, or Safe Work Method statements, to Fergus, enabling them to complete and store these forms directly within the relevant job cards, and keeping all critical information centralised and accessible. Let's explore how to use Fergus Forms effectively for health and safety. First, you'll need to start by creating a form template in Fergus via the Settings menu. If you're unsure how to build a form, refer to our help guide for detailed instructions. If you already have health and safety forms outside of Fergus, this is where you'll replicate them. Once your form template is published, you can assign it to specific jobs. Navigate to the job card and attach the form to the appropriate job phase. This ensures that any team members assigned to the job phase will be able to access the form via the Fergus Go app. Assigned team members can open the Fergus Go app, go to the relevant job card, and scroll down to locate the Forms tool. They'll see any forms that have been assigned. If a form hasn't been assigned yet, it's easy to add one. Tap the plus button in the bottom right corner, select the appropriate form template, and click Add in the top right corner. The form will now be ready to start. Users can open the form by tapping on the form they want to fill out. Then they just need to fill in the required fields. If system tags were included when creating the form, certain fields will autofill, saving time and reducing errors. To learn more about system tags, check out our help guide. Users can save their progress as they complete the form. When all required information has been entered, clicking Submit will mark the form as submitted. Submitted forms will automatically appear as submitted on the job card's desktop view as well. To access them, go to the left-hand side of the job card and click on Forms to view all associated forms. Fergus also converts completed forms into PDF files upon submission. These PDFs can be downloaded and even emailed directly to customers if you choose. To attach the PDF to an outgoing email, select the email you're sending first. We usually see forms attached to the final invoice email, but you can choose to send it on its own via the Quick Email to Customer option by heading to the job summary if you'd prefer. Navigate to the Files and Photos section in the email draft, and select the completed form PDF to attach it. And that's all there is to it. Using Fergus Forms for health and safety helps streamline processes, keeping all submitted forms organised within their respective job cards. This makes it easy to retrieve information for reference or compliance purposes, even after a job is completed.